After teaching Power BI for many years, a common question that I get from students is, what's the difference between M code and DAX code? And you know what? It's a great question. While the differences are notable, it may not be initially apparent when and where each language is used. So, to start off, M and DAX are two distinct and different functional languages that are used within Power BI. M code is used within the Power Query editor. Remember that this is the back end of Power BI, and is designed specifically for extracting, transforming, and loading data into Power BI's data model. And DAX code is all about analyzing relational data models and is used in Power BI's front end. So here's an example of some M code that's showing the change type applied step in the territory lookup. So from the code comments in green here, we can see that this M code is adding a new step called change type, and that's happening directly after we've promoted the first row to header, and then changes the data types for territory key, region, country, and continent. The M code generated here can only be accessed and edited from within the query editor. Next, we've got an example DAX measure that's been created to only count the total number of bike returns. The first piece to understand is that DAX can only be written against tables that are within your data model. And second, because of the way that DAX is evaluated, this example expression takes into consideration filter context from the report, which we'll dig into a bit later in this section. But for now, the key item to understand is that M code is created and used in the query editor, and DAX code is created and used in the front end. All right, so now that we've had a brief introduction to DAX, explored the differences between M and DAX and where they're each used, let's pick things back up and explore calculated columns a bit more deeply.